This is the tool factory of Panon Tools. Tools are made here, like this, or these. But how? Let's find out. After our engineers have had their coffee, they start planning. After they are ready, the materials delivered to the plant. Balazs takes over the task. He starts the 5-axis machining center DMF 260. What this fantastic machine is capable of, you can read in the table or in the description below the video. David prepares the next part on the 3-axis CNC DMC 1150. Don't forget, useful info can be found not only in the tables, but also in the description below the video. Meanwhile, Peter is working with the Sparky Roading machine. He machines the parts with an accuracy in the 100th of a millimeter range, like this one, these, or this one. Our sinking EDM can machine parts up to 1,000 kilograms. Right, Daniel? Yeah! Drum solo. The individual parts are taken to the measuring room, where our technicians take the necessary measurements. The guys assemble the tool and check the parts for functionality. And it's done. This is how our excellent team works in the tool factory of Panon Tools.